Right, spare wheel cover. So this is one of the accessories you get with the Explorer pack that we have been fitting. I don't think it's going to be the most interesting video because hopefully it's fairly easy to fit. Particularly useful for me because if you look around the side there, my wheels at the side don't match my spare wheel. So I've got lush 20 inches there, but I only got a set of 4, not 5. So that's one good reason for a spare wheel cover.
Hide your shame.
Hide your shame, yes. I guess there's a slight security because people don't know without, and then they've got to take that off to have a look. But I expect they'll just nick your spare wheel cover as well, won't they? Right then, let's have a look what we got. We haven't even opened this up yet. We got the sticker that doesn't tell you how to fit it, but it sends you to the website that says how to fit it.
Go here to look how to fit it.
For the banter, should we have a look what the website says? Let's have a look at it first. So we have a little bit of that. We've got Defender. Obviously we've got to get it the right way up, Tyler. We can manage that, can't we? Let's hope.
Step 1.
Step 1. So it looks like a sort of vacuum formed sort of. So you got that. So on that zip. So there we go. And then it's got this sort of skirt. I guess that's an elasticated skirt. Is it? We've got something going on at the bottom here. No, it's all. So I guess it's just one of those things. Or is that like a little drainage hole, do you reckon? Is that at the bottom?
Yeah, that would be the bottom.
That bit at the bottom, wouldn't it? Yeah. So yeah, I reckon it's just like, you've just got to...
Shove it on.
I'm going to go for it. There you go. Let's have a look.
Yeah. There's only one bit that moves.
Oh, there you go. If there's any particular technique. Slime and fit a spare wheel cover. That's pretty spot on, isn't it?
Mm.
I got it straight. Oh, actually, it goes, yeah, once
Yeah.
that bit.
Because
I've
it
done
matches.
right, right?
Yeah, because I think it matches the window.
Oh, does this go in line with the window? Yeah, that's quite neat, isn't it? Oh, looks alright, doesn't it? Try this.
And the silver almost matches the white.
Oh, yeah, trouble is we keep getting rid of the silver, don't we? I need that painted now. I guess there's sort of reflective benefit, is there? I guess some road safety benefit. Not sure. We could do a little stainless steel cutout to go in there.
Yeah, we could.
On the laser and sort of fit it in around there, make it look a bit lush. And then, because then you could paint the word Defender and then stick the laser cutout. Trouble is, some of the bits would be floating, wouldn't they? Would it be? Yeah, because you'd have do. It would only be the middle of the D and the middle of the R, wouldn't it? That would be individual bits. The rest of it would. Have a look at that. Right. There we go. And there's that drain hole. And you've got the drain hole. That is all the features I can think of for the spare wheel cover. But that's part of the Explorer pack, along with the roof rack and the mud flaps and the other bits we fitted. So there you go. Spare wheel cover. So yeah, Tyler's gone online. He's found the instructions here. Interesting, Tyler. They've got 2 part numbers for those. We need to. Do you reckon they're for different wheel sizes? We ought to understand that. We'll have a look at that. And it says the accessory is not correctly fitted could be dangerous. I guess if your spare wheel cover flies off, it isn't good. But there's a couple of other things Tyler spotted. You can't polish it apparently, or cleaning. You've got to be careful because it can ruin the matte finish. And it says don't use an automated car wash. Using unapproved cleaning equipment can damage the spare wheel cover, which is a little bit worrying. No stickers. So yeah, no bumper stickers on there. Right then. It also says no pressure washing. So it says making sure not to apply high pressure to the paint surface. Avoid washing accessories during sunlight. Ooh, why is that? There you go. So yeah, so it's a little bit of a disclaimer there, which is not untypical. I wouldn't be unduly worried. I think Land Rover just get into a habit of putting disclaimers after disclaimer for stuff. So let me just check into those different part numbers, and then I think I've done about as much as I can do on a spare wheel cover. Right, so just to clarify on the part numbers, I wondered if it was for different size wheels and tyres, but it tells us here on Brickcar's website that it has been superseded by that 143 part number. So the 130 part number is an older part number, and the 143 number is the newer number.